How to fix mobile data not working on Android. This tutorial covers two quick checks that clear up most connectivity issues. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. From there, look for the data saver icon and check if it's turned on. If it is, tap it to disable data saver, since this feature restricts background data and can sometimes block apps from getting a proper connection even when mobile data is on. After that, close the quick panel and test your connection by opening any app that needs the internet. If data still isn't working, open the Settings app on your Android device. At this point, scroll down and tap General Management, then tap Reset. Following this, tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. From here, tap Reset at the bottom and confirm. This clears your APN settings and network preferences, which can fix issues caused by a misconfigured or corrupted connection. Once that's done, your device will restart on its own to apply the changes. Finally, once it boots back up, open any app and check whether mobile data is working normally again. Keep in mind, resetting mobile network settings will also remove any saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to reconnect those afterward. That's how you fix mobile data not working on Android.